Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maniya here and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be my sleek low bun using only Style Factor's Edge Booster. Now this pomade is crazy, guys. You have to get it. So I found this gel one day in the beauty supply. I was just walking around and I found this, and the first time I used it, I was amazed on how well it slicks down your hair. I mean, it leaves it so smooth. There's no flyaways. It looks shiny and healthy afterwards. It's crazy. Okay, I just had to slow down the video a little bit so I can get that out. So let's start with this tutorial. So first, let's start off by making a center part. If you want it to be really straight, then you can take the time to do that. I did mine really quick. And then I wanted to put two little hairs like hanging in the front of my face. So I parted my hair for that. And if you're feeling that, then you can add that in. If you're not, then you can totally skip this step and just move on to adding the stretch to your hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is spray my hair with water. My hair has been in this little afro for a couple days now, so it's really dry. So I'm just going to wet it up so that I can get as much stretch as possible, so it's super easy to pull it into this low bun. So after I sprayed it enough, I'm gonna put it into the tightest bun that I can without the gel. Just, take as many hairs as I can, stretch them out, and pull them back into the low bun. Let me just say, I am so proud of my hair growth, mostly because of my son and the prenatal pills, but after that I took care of my hair after my pregnancy, and I'm so proud of how long it is now. So next, I'm going in with my Edge Booster. They have so many different types of this Edge Booster. I mean, I think there's like lemon scent, a raspberry scent, a strawberry scent. There's so many different flavors. So if you're interested in buying some Edge Booster, you can check out Amazon. My affiliate link is right down below. It's super easy. Just click on the link down below and it takes you straight to the page where Edge Booster is. They have a variety of different types that you can buy. You can get one by itself, or you can get a whole package so you can try them all. This Edge Booster is going to forever be in my hair regimen, and I feel like you should jump on that train too, because this is a game changer. So now I'm just going in with the Edge Booster, and I'm just going to start laying that on top of my hair, just spreading it out evenly. Don't want to put too much, but don't want to use too little. Just want to spread it out as much as I can on every part of my hair. And then I take my spray bottle and I spray a little bit of water just so I can add some more stretch, so it's easier for me to brush it down. And I'm just gonna keep brushing it and making it as smooth as possible. Just keep on brushing and brushing to get those hairs laid. And if you want to add a scarf, you can. I found that this Edge Booster is so good, I didn't even need a scarf. people like to use scarves as that little bit of extra, flatness, and that's, cool for you. But this edge booster is so good, you really don't even need it. It's such a good, quick and easy product if you have to go somewhere really fast and you don't have time for the scarf. This product is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna do that again on the other side of my hair, spray it a little bit, and then repeat it, brush it down as much as possible. So after that, I'm gonna take the ponytail out again, and I'm gonna add all those extra hairs that weren't in the ponytail that I needed to brush in. I'm gonna now put that into the ponytail. And I wanna make sure it's tight, it's slick as possible, smooth it down, get everything into the ponytail as much as possible. I then started to brush it even more, add a little bit more of the product just to get that little bit of extra smoothness, and it comes out so good. I also did my baby hairs to get it all sleek. Now I'm going to take the two little hairs out in the front. I decided to fix a little bit of the part, and then I split it into two and individually twisted them down by themselves. I just added a little bit of water. I didn't put any product, just add a little bit of water, and the hair will, curl itself, them natural girls. It just, curls with water. And then you have your sleek low bun, cute for any party, casual event, or just if you want to get cute for yourself. This hairstyle is bomb, and this gel, oh my god, guys. Hit my affiliate link down below. You won't regret it. It will take you straight to Amazon. Get yourself this pomade, girl. Change your life. Okay. Follow me, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.